Objective question 45 November. We are to simplify 3 whole number 1 over 4 plus 4 whole number 1 over 4 all in one bracket divided by 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3 also in another bracket. Our first step, we are going to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, 13 over 4 plus 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1, 17 over 4 divided by 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3. Our next step, we are going to simplify the contents of the bracket. Since both terms in this bracket have the same denominator, we just write 1, then we add the numerators divided by, for this place we find the least common denominator, which is 6. 6 into 6 is 1 times 5, which is 5, minus 3 goes into 6, 2 times 2 is 4. So 13 plus 17, we are going to get 30 over 4 divided by 5 minus 4, we are going to get 1 over 6. So we can rewrite this as 30 over 4 times 6 over 1. And our next step, 2 goes into 4, 2 goes into 6, 3, 2 goes into itself, 1, 2 goes into 30, which is 15. So we get 15 times 3, which is 45. Objective question 46 November. That is asking that which of the following inequalities is represented by the number line. So let's write our endpoints. We have -2, and here we have 1. Let me open it a little. We have 1. So our next thing we have to do, we have to select a variable, and the variable that I'm going to select will be x. Since the interval is continuous, we are just going to write them together. We are not going to separate them. So -2 should be less than the range of values in the middle, which will also be less or equal to 3. The value shouldn't be greater than 3. It starts from -2 exclusive and move to -1 up to 3 inclusive. So if it is exclusive, we are going to use less than. When you get to this part, the values of x are less than this one is 3. The values of x are less than 3, but the 3 is also part, which is inclusive. So we use less or equal to. And that will be our final answer. Our theory question 1a, June, says that we should simplify 3 whole number 4 over 7 minus 1 whole number 1 over 3 divided by 2 whole number 2 over 5, all divided by 13 over 3 minus 1 whole number 6 over 7. Our first step, we will rewrite this in a different form. So we are going to obtain 3 whole number 4/7 minus 1 whole number 1/3 divided by 2 whole number 2/5 divided by 13/3 minus 1 whole number 6/7. And next step, we are going to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 4, 25. 25/7 minus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4/3 divided by 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2, 12/5. So we bring our division sign. 13/3 minus 1 times 7 is 7 plus 6, 13/7. So when we come here, we deal with the contents of the bracket. But in this bracket, I'm going to deal with this term, the term involving the division sign. So I will get 25/7 minus 4/3, and this sign, the division sign, will change to multiplication. Then the fraction will be 5/12 divided by 13/3 minus 13/7. I just repeated the fraction. Let's do some cancellations here. 4 goes into itself once, 4 goes into 12, 3. So it will be simplified to 25/7 minus 5/9. That's 3 times 3 here, divided by, we just repeat the brackets over here. 13/3 minus 13/7. And next step, we are going to find the least common denominators for both the contents of the bracket. The least common denominator between 7 and 9 will be 63. 63. 7 goes into 63 is 9. So 9 times our 25. We are going to get 225. Minus 9 goes into 63, 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Divided by, here our least common divisor or denominator will be 21. 3 goes into 21 is 7. 7 times 13 is 91. Minus 7 goes into 21 is 3. 3 times 13 is 39. So when we simplify, the contents in the brackets are 225 minus 35 is going to give us 190/63 divided by our 91 minus 39 is going to give us 52/21. We can rewrite this as 190/63 times, then we will reciprocate the fraction 21/52. So let's think about some cancellation. 21 can go into itself once. 21 goes into 63 3 times. then when you look at the 190 and 52, you can see that 2 can divide both. So 190 divided by 2 is 95. And 52 divided by 2 is 26. So at the end, we are going to get 95 over 26 times 3 is 78, which is an improper fraction. So we can convert it to mixed fraction as one whole number, 17 over 78. That will be our final answer. Our theory question 1A, November. It is saying that we should simplify one whole number 1 over 2 minus 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. Our first step, we convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1. 3 over 2 minus 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. Looking at this, we have two terms. So I will put this term in one bracket and deal with it. Minus 3 over 5. The division symbol will change to multiplication. Then it will be 3 over 2. The fraction will reciprocate. 3 over 2. Let's see. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. 5 times 2 will be 10. What is our least common denominator between this term and this term? We have 2 and 10, so 10. 2 goes into 10, 5. 5 times 3, 15. 15 minus 10 goes into itself once. Minus 9. So, at the end, 15 minus 9, we are going to get 6. So 6 divided by 10. And there is a factor that can divide 6 and 10, which is 2. 2 goes into itself, 3, 2 goes into 10, 5. And our result will be 3 over 5, which is a proper fraction.